So today we're going to talk about comparing two numbers to each other and finding out if one's bigger than the other or if they're the same. So these symbols, and you may be wondering what they mean. So we have a greater than symbol, a less than symbol, and an equal sign. Well, here's what they mean. The equal sign means that both numbers are equal. So whatever number is on either side of the sign, they are the same thing. The greater than and less than sign mean exactly what they sound like. It means that the number on one side is bigger or smaller than the number on the other. So in these signs, the number on the open side of the symbol is always the bigger number, and the one on the side that is pointed is the smaller number. So remember that the greater than and less than signs are kind of shaped like alligator's mouths. You see kind of in the picture here. And the alligator always eats the bigger number. So the open side is always going to have the bigger number in these situations.